Hey there, Dan with Battlefield Curator, and we just picked up a very nasty, ugly, broken Type 56 SKS. So I was thinking about returning it, but that's no fun. Can we salvage it? This is probably one of the dirtiest, ugliest SKS rifles that I've seen in current times. And as we go through the current crises and gun panic buying, we see things like these come out. It actually might make a decent shooter. It might also blow up. We'll have to inspect every bit and piece of it and then take it apart. But first, I think you should pulverize the like button and subscribe. It'll definitely help out with the algorithms. All right, I don't know if you can see that, but we're gonna roll with it. So this appears to be an all parts matching Type 56. We're gonna start off by, let's see, it's on safe right now. I'm gonna remove the dust cover here. Alright, it's a little, it's all kinds of stuff down there, it looks funky. Right, and yeah, look at that. The spring here has got a little bit of rust on there at the end. Not too bad, not too bad. So what we got is we got a rusty bolt. Rusty bolt here, oh man, there's cosmoline and rust all over that. So we're gonna get this magazine out of here. Right. See, this thing pops up. There we go. All right. Oh man, look at that spring. That is quite the amount of gunk on there. It's gonna have to take a bath. There we go. Oh man. So yeah, talk about rust. Oh man. That bayonet was stuck. So the very end here has a lot of rust right along here. So the inside of this stock, it's got a lot of cosmoline in there, but that's not rusted. It looks like it's pretty decent, but there's just so much gunk. But there is a crack right here, so I think I might try to repair that. So we've got a lot of dried cosmoline, and it looks like maybe some rust here. Oh, it's gonna need some cleaning up. This whole cap looks pretty rusty. I use some mineral spirits to get that out of there. Okay, rear sight, a lot of cosmoline. Gotta eyeball that a little better next time. Aha! Rust. They put enough cosmoline up here in the gas tube to pretty much preserve everything. Like I suspected, this tube does not match. There's probably so much stuff gunked in here. There we go. It's a little shove, kind of knocked it out. There we go. So this one looks like it's partially cosmolined. So they only partially protected this one. Here are some of the photos. When I first saw it, it was nasty. And it looks like if we removed a lot of that rust, you'll see pitting on the underneath. No bueno. As you can see here, it's got a crack in the buttstock. It seemed to function okay, and looking down the barrel, it didn't look so bad. Just got a lot of cosmoline in there. We'll have to clean that out as well. It's not bad overall. It seems like I can make it a pretty decent shooter. I think I'll just clean it up lightly enough so that it doesn't take away from the character and it still portrays that true historic look. So it's interesting because, you know, if you can get your hands on something cheap, might as well get an SKS. So if you got one worse than this, let me know in the comments. And if you like my content, check us out on Instagram, Battlefield_Curator. I post there pretty much daily. All kinds of awesome historical content.